Okay, so now it comes time to install the headers. Once again, thank you for tuning into the channel. Subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and comment. Let me know what you guys want me to do. Don't say twin turbo. So this is my Trans Am. It's not a WS6. Not that that matters, but today we're getting rid of the stock exhaust manifold. We're putting headers on. Can't really see it, but I got Texas Speed and Performance headers. 1 7/8 inlet for the engine block, 3-inch output, and I got their wide pipe also. It's kind of cold out. This is gonna be fun. There's a lot of work. In order to do this, I think those are all 10 or 13s or maybe 12s. You have to undo all the spark plugs, take the spark plugs out. Then just undo the bolts and carefully drop everything out. It's not that hard, but it's very time consuming. This side shouldn't be that bad. The other side's gonna be a bear. So that's all for now, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. So first of all, for anyone doing this themselves, good luck. Really wasn't that bad, but I broke every single spark plug wire on this side and 2 out of the 4 on the other side. So these bolts are 10 millimeters. I got every single one loose, as you can probably maybe tell. I did have to take the engine oil dipstick off, or loosen it for that matter, because there's a bolt there. That's actually the only one. Alright, someone tells me this battery is going to die in 2 seconds anyways. But I got that done, Both spark plugs are out. Sets spark plugs are out. Oh, I just made a 40-second clip, 50-second clip, and it wasn't even recording. Alright, so my battery kept on dying to me. This is my 3rd one. Got everything off over there. All I have to do is loosen 1 bolt. Everything is 10 millimeter. Spark plugs are 5/8. This is a 15 millimeter. That's actually, there's a bolt under there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's the one with a little bit of white stuff on it. I don't know if you can see it. That's the only bolt that's even tight. 2 bolts are already out altogether. On this side, I still have to take the cat out on this side, but all the plugs are out, wires are out. Every single wire broke, except for 2 on the driver's side. I have to get them all replaced now. It really wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. I thought it would be way worse, but it was definitely difficult, seeing that the car's a 1.5 feet in the air. So I got to get this off, got to get the O2 sensors off. I got 1 off on that side, I got to get both off on this side, and then it's ready to go in. Or out, and then the new one's in. I'd have to get a second hand to get them in, but that shouldn't be too bad. So now that I'm finally recording, I'll get back to work, and I'll talk to you guys in a few minutes. If you guys are using this as an install video, I hope this helps. Number 7 or 8 cylinder back there, whichever one it is. I think it's 7. That one you have to do from under the car, or I did in this situation because I'm taking the exhaust off. It made it so much easier. Alright, so talk to you guys in a few minutes. Alright guys, sorry I forgot to update you, but got the headers in. This is basically the after. A little hard to see, I do apologize. That back bolt, kind of a bear. It's whatever. This side I had to take the I don't remember what it's called. Spark plug, the coil packs off. This side's done. I started putting the plugs on, and then I just put the wires on. I had to buy new ones. I didn't get the best ones, but I'm really hoping they're good. There's a warranty on them that I will use. So this side's 100% done. Now we go back to this side. This side is a little tougher side. I still have to put the spark plugs in on this side. I still have to just triple check that all these are tight, because I don't want to have to do that with spark plugs in. Got to do that. Got to put the dipstick back in, spark plugs, coil pack, wires, done. And then I can actually start it up for you guys. So hopefully this video isn't too long. It should be only about 5 or 6 minutes right now. And see you guys in a second. Alright guys, this side's been done. Told you about that. This side, that's all you gotta know. That's all you gotta know. But it's done. Oil's in. I did an oil change because I had to take a oil filter off over there. So I just drained the filter, drained everything. I'm tired guys, I'm sorry. Here we go, we're gonna start her up. I'm gonna take a Snapchat too. Oh, how pissed would you be about my keys at home? Oh, it's so cold.